ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong ya Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik upanai maj haka porship hobajem step hashulong tura bat clear.
Ka Election Commission of India kamshim lakhang ban pelat ya kapisa jeng tre blashna pentip wala ka model code of conduct la tre kam nuduk sngi blapin bana ya ka tarik jeng election lok sabha. Ka Election Commission of India klapha ya ka shithi sha Union Cabinet Secretary shu Secretary ka Sarkar India shu Department of Program Implementation shu Chief Secretary jeng Sarkar Jilla Bachi Chief Secretary and Administrators jeng Union Territories bachi Chief Electoral Officer jeng Jilla bagi Union Territory hak wede bat kini kakam. Ka Election Commission kala pentip ru bakam don shu kono ga jing pelat pisa themai shaki MP ka Parliament lingba ka Local Area Development Fund hadim lapin banaya ka tarik election.
We had a meeting with the political party representatives of the Meghalaya as per instruction of ECI to brief about the MCC process, the election schedule and the role responsibility of the political party on the different aspects of the election. So it was a very cordial meeting with the political party representatives and we have requested them for their active and larger participation and to make the election more inclusive, more ethical, participative and to enhance the voting. They have raised certain issues in respect to the proper lighting to be ensured in the polling station. So that is a mandate and we have assured some practical suggestions also has come from the political parties and we have noted for needful compliance. Commission is always encouraging no restriction on the political party activities if it is within the limit of the MCC. Model code is there just to, so there should be one limitation, one discipline to be there. So in equal level playing field for all. So whatever goes in the against the integrity of the nation, then security of the nation and several aspects which is destroy the social harmony and all the things countries relation with the other nations also. So all those things restrictions are always there because in the life also some restrictions, some discipline is required. We are living in a civic society, so rule regulation have to be prevailed. So there are certain limitations for the political parties also, but all their political activities are not going to hamper by the MCC. They have to come forward. Election Commission is promoting. We are bound to involve the political parties at each and every stage of the election process to have the proper transparency and they are the main stakeholders of the entire political process. So MCC just to provide level playing field and support them. I already clarified about all those things. If any such issue, it is going to ECI through this screening committee and moreover the fund release is not stopped immediately. But if it is ongoing work, then the fund will not be held for that if it is the budget process and all those. But mostly if the new work is starting and all those things, then it can have restrictions. To the developmental ongoing works, there is the instruction from the Election Commission of India and that is very clearly mentioned in the press note and the relevant instructions also. The MP and MLA and local body representatives schemes will be held and no new scheme can be announced, but ongoing work has no restriction. If it is ongoing work, it can continue. And all the detailed instructions has been laid down because it is just to not to hold the development process, but at least due to the scheme new announcement or so elections should have at the level playing field equal for all. So no political party in the ruling can take mileage. So certain limitations have been placed by the Honorable ECI, and it is a very ongoing process in all the elections. So if there is any such issue comes, any emergent nature for the public purpose or anything, then all those issues should be referred to the screening committee at the state level headed by Honorable Chief Secretary, and based on the committee's recommendation, if commission examines and if found it is not affecting, so then in that light they can commission is allowing the ongoing developmental projects that